I'm the Silver Fox Butcher. Today, we're going to break down a whole turkey and make a turkey breast roast. So, got a beautiful, fresh, grain-fed whole turkey. Let's take it apart. We're going to start with the wings. You can catch it right in the armpit, and you can see the joint right there. It just comes right out. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. You can hear it. Just catch it right in between the joint. There's your two wings. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take our knife. We're just going to score the skin in between the legs and the breast. That way we can separate them out. So the easiest way, first, I'm going to take it and take the whole back right off. You hear a crack, just take your knife, cut right through it. So there's your legs with the backbone attached. You just pop the leg right out of the joint. And so there's one leg, no back. Do the same thing on the other side. There's the second leg with back removed. You can use the back for stock. We got a boneless skin on turkey breast here. Let's make a roast out of it. So we're going to bone out this breast. You just take your knife, just run it right along the backbone. You can hear it just come apart. Trying to stay as close to the bone as you can. Keep as much meat in there as possible. And if you get right to that backbone, you can keep everything in there. Looks beautiful. You can see it off one side. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. You can hear the knife following right along the bone. Once you get down to the bottom, so you've got the one piece hanging on, you can just pull the back right off there. Use that for stock. You got your two boneless skin on turkey breasts. Just give it a little fold over. See how nice they look. Think of how great that's going to be for Thanksgiving. Give it a little tie, make her look nice. Season it up. About an hour and 15 minutes in the oven. She'll be ready to go. What we're going to do is we're going to tie one string, go on the opposite way. It's going to hold it all together nicely. Got a beautiful boneless skin on turkey breast roast.